What's up, peeps? So today we're doing a camshaft sensor on a 2000 Tahoe Limited. It's got a vortex in it, a couple little extras. And to get to the camshaft sensor in this motop, undo the screw, loosen the strap, take this off. You want to get to the distributor cap that's right up underneath. Alright, then you're going to remove this, because what we're wanting to get is the distributor back there. And we're going to have to take this cap off. Alright. Get these out of the way. Alright. There. Alright. A lot more room now. Let's see. Should we be showing the toe out? Star. Alright. Let's see. Let me readjust. Alright. Much better. Not really. Okay. I don't like that. Thought about it. Hold that. Goddamn choke wires. Alright, here we go. Ah! Alternator's a little hot. Okay, so I got one down here. Alright. Take that off. There's one. There you go. Feel the other one. Okay, so after you take the 2 bolts out on the distributor cap, I'm going to move that out the way. Can I get some light, son? And next you're going to want to take out those 2 right there. Okay, that's next. Take those 2 out. So I've taken the 2 bolts out. That's going to move. Alright. So your camshaft sensor is right here. And what you have to do is move the crank to get it to line up where the sensor is. And then you can just pull it right out. Okay, so just in case you don't know how to turn the crank, let me show you real fast, okay? You're gonna get up underneath the vehicle. On this, where my son is, I recommend putting a breaker bar. Makes it much easier. Oh, flashlight. Okay. Underneath, right there, is your crank. Put a socket on there. I'll tell you what size in a second. Get you a breaker bar. And you're just going to slightly turn. Go ahead, Coda. Just a little bit. Okay? Stop. So we can show them. Now. Let me show you what it looks like from the top when it's turning. Coda, you're going to turn until I say stop. Okay, son? Fuck, it's hard to get up here. And I'm little. Okay, so what you're looking for is it to line up so you can pull that camshaft sensor out, right? So let me show you. Alright, get my lighting good. You like my races? Alright. Okay, son, go ahead and slowly turn. So I say stop. Keep going. That's fine. I'm waiting on you. My mouth hurts. I just got my braces yesterday. It sucks.
Need the flashlight.
You need the flashlight? Sophia! Sophia! Dude, I love Tahoe Limiteds. Oh my god. The old square body. Yeah, it's hot. It's hot. Okay, are you almost there, son?
Yeah.
Go ahead, turn. Keep turning. Keep turning. We just wanted to line up. Come on. Okay. Put it behind the bar, not in front of the bar.
All right.
Go. A little bit more. A little bit more. All right, stop. All right, now you should be able to push that. Now the only thing left to do is to undo this tiny little bolt right there. Okay, actually there was a second one on this side as well. Sorry about that. All right, and then you should be able to just move it. Yep. Whoop. And it's just going to pop right out. Just gotta be a little careful. You see why you have to line up the crank though, to maneuver it out. Okay. There we go. Come on, come on. I kind of need two hands for this. Okay, so I needed two hands. You see how to take it off. You're just gonna push it up in the little slit. Hopefully you can put it all back together the way that we took it off. It's real easy. If you have any trouble, feel free to hit me up in the messages.